Good morning, class. The chapter Green Kingdom we are going to discuss today. That is chapter 46. In this, we'll come to know some names of the plants. Clear. Green refers to that plants and all here. So, Green Kingdom, some plants names will come to know. Okay. Discussions of that means little bit information about the trees already there. What we have to do, we have to just find out the proper names. Clear. First, you see the wood of this tree. The wood of this tree is used to carve out the idols of Lord Jagannath in Puri. Okay, this tree's wood actually used to make the idols of Lord Jagannath at Puri. What is that? The first one name is Neem. The first one name is the tree name is Neem. In the Ekambareswar temple in Tamil Nadu, there is a 3500 years old tree which is said to bear fruits with four different types, clear, taste and signifying the four Vedas. Which fruit, what fruit does it bear? That is mango. Okay, so number 2 is mango. The name of the tree which bears four taste of fruits, and you know the fruits are the taste of that fruit signifies the four Vedas. Clear? The name of the fruit is mango. Number 3, you see this kind of tree is mentioned in the Gita Govinda and depicted in many paintings. Okay, they used to. There is also associated with the stories of Radha and Krishna in Vrindavan. This kind of tree is also mentioned. The stories related with Radha and Krishna, and it also mentioned in Gita Govinda. So, what is the name of the tree? That is Kadam. Clear? So, number 3 is Kadam tree. Okay. Number 4, you see this tree's bark is actually used to make tea in Ladakh. Its seeds are poisonous. It's only used to make trees there. Okay, helping and all. So the name of this tree is UV tree. Number 4, it is UV tree. These flowers found in Kadaikankal in the Nilgiris. Okay, and blooms only once in 12 years. What is that? It is Kurinji. The name of this tree is Kurinji. It is Kurinji. Okay. Now number 6, you see this kind of plant is widely grown now. Nowadays you can find this kind of plants. Originally it was brought from Madagascar. What is that? Gulmohar. We used to see this word. The name of this tree is Gulmohar. Clear? This kind of Indian tree, number 7, you see, is used to making tobacco pipes. Because of the hard knots it develops over its trunk. Trunk is very hard. So for that it used to make pipes for the tobacco. What is that? It is teak tree. So number 7 is teak. Number 7 is teak. Number 8, you see the leaves of this tree are used to make bidis. What is that? Tendu. The name of these are Tendu. Okay. Number 9, you see this is known as Sarpagandha in Ayurveda. We know this name as Ayurvedic name Sarpagandha, and this plant endemic to India is considered the best remedy for high blood pressure. Is also having this medicine known as medicinal plant Ayurvedic Sarpagandha. What is the name of this? Rauwolfia. What is the name of this? Number 9, it is Rauwolfia. It is Rauwolfia. Okay, it's Rauwolfia. Now, number 10, you see this long living tree is native to Persia. It came from Persia. It was brought to India by Babur. Okay, Mughal Emperor Babur, and they are found only in Kashmir. That is Chinar. That is Chinar. So number 10 is Chinar. This kind of tree is only found in Kashmir. It was brought by Babur. Okay, mainly it is associated or native to Persia. So these are the plants name. Okay, what can happen that it can come as a short note that write briefly the use of Rauwolfia, what purpose it has used, from where it has found Chinar, who brought this into India. This kind of questions can be come from here. So prepare yourself like that. Whichever questions can come from here, you can attend. Clear? So the brief notes about these trees, whatever is given in the book, go thoroughly, try to learn properly. Okay, and the fact corner, two more things are there. What is that? That you are grown mainly where? In the churches. Okay, before, because pagans in the days before Christianity, this kind of trees are behind them, okay, besides them. And teak is the toughest of all woods and has been used to construct ships and buildings for more than 2000 years. So it's the hardest. It has also used as the trunk of these trees are very hard, so it used pipes for the tobacco, we have already discussed. To take another information is also here. Try to read these facts corners also and frame question and write in the copy. These all questions you will write in the copy along with the facts. Clear? So just read up to this. Till then, thank you class.